talk to you. If you talk to me and give me a good deal, that'd be great. The hats were here last year.
Hello.
How are you today?
Thank you. Welcome to our sale.
I wouldn't miss it.
Good. Oh, good. That's what we like to hear.
Glad to hear.
Where you been?
So,
Oh, you're gonna stick it up on the door?
here, go. Here. Come on, bro. Hold on, we're gonna look through.
Did you know our cousin Hoop? Yeah, he's gone. Was it? Yeah, he died April 4th.
Oh, we forgot the bag. Yeah, go ahead. That's in the back. Just and lock it back up. Be careful crossing the street. I look for all random stuff.
Good for you.
If I see something that's interesting, I'll pick it up. How much are the clothes? Oh.
I wish I could tell you, but I can't see the sign.
This one doesn't have. This one isn't one.
If anybody's looking for anything in particular, holler, because we might have it or you're overlooking. You have to go around twice because you miss it the first time.
He checked out in April. Yeah, April 4th. He went to the Y, not to the Y. He went to the hospital and he fell outside.
How much are the clothes if they're not marked?
Oh, clothes are up.
Like a mouse or something in the stomach.
Suits, non-coats,
Just like pants or t-shirts.
t-shirts are $2.
Okay. Oh, here. Okay.
Yeah, it's up there.
I
I had it up here.
I was looking over here. I didn't see it. Okay. Perfect. Thank you. Let's see what we got. I like that shirt.
Bite me here.
Just see if you see any cool or shirts, or any cool graphic.
There's a purple one there.
Here.
Unless they dropped them when I took them out on that contract. Okay, ladies.
I'll probably pass.
I like you, but I have no room to make fury out of them. I'm not putting them out the line on. That's it. Looking for a back patio.
Okay. I must have hanging there someplace it fell. Okay. It doesn't have sticker on it.
He's singing for our family discussion this weekend. Are you looking at the foo-foos?
What kind of things your wife like?
So, dogs.
Do you wonder?
No.
Nice and dry so far.
Yeah, it was his fault.
He said his is plastic. I said this is classier.
Yeah, that's too small. You guys
Do we aim anyway? Yeah. When I get a girlfriend, the seat's always down. I go to my friends, it's always down. Years ago, though, we wanted a group of people, maybe like 10 or 15 people. We said, now your cell phone will not.
I didn't know that. I never used
They're a little bit cheaper. I pick them up.
At that time, they didn't. That day,
Let's see anything over here. These aren't bad. These could be good. Hey guys, if you made it this far already, please hit that thumbs up down below and also leave a comment. It helps out the channel so much when you guys comment and hit that thumbs up. Now back to the footage. Talk to you. If you talk to me and give me a good deal, that'd be great.
I just got lunch with
I'm checking the shirts again. That's I do like that one. This one I think I was putting back. Yeah, this one's going back. Okay, I got one shirt and these.
one shirt. What about them pants back there? You want them?
No pants.
$3?
Nope, I can't. I'm not doing pants today. So I got that.
Oh, how much are these? These are what? These are like,
I don't know.
oh, these were 50 cents.
Okay, so I think there was. Let's see.
That'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six.
Yep. 50 cents on that. Is that what that? There was nothing marked over there. It was over in the corner.
That's 7.
And 2.
7, 8, 9. $9. How about?
$10. That's what you said.
We're good.
That works.
Take your time. Look around. Okay. Well, thank you very
No,
much.
we'll definitely stop back though.
Yeah, we're here till Wednesday night.
1? Okay, perfect. Thank you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that footage from that church sale. We ended up hitting 3 church sales up that day. And honestly, all 3 were not that great. The last one was kind of good. We got some shirts. But I'm going to show you the haul from the footage you just got to see. So the one thing we got, and this was back in their, I don't know how I want to put it, like their office supply stuff. And it is these shipping tags, reinforced hole. There's 100 tags. I think he gave them to me for about 50 cents. I don't think they were ever used. Not 100% sure what I'm going to do with these. I might be able to mark some items in the inventory, something like that. But for 50 cents, I figured it was worth a almost dropped it. Worth a shot. We ended up getting 1 shirt at the sale, and I apologize, man. I am sunburned as can be. Out cutting grass on Mother's Day. I'm not sure when this video is going up, but as you guys know, we film in advance because we are busy. We have schedules, we have family, kids, stuff like that. So we try to have our videos scheduled out, but we did find this shirt. This is a 2XL, and it's Bite Me, South Dakota, right there, from 1999, with a mean-looking Chihuahua. So, yeah, I think it has like the Taco Bell dog, but it has some red eyes, man. That thing is angry looking. Dog's angry looking. So that was that. Then, right as we were getting ready to leave, I go over to check, and I threw a couple shirts back, as you noticed in the footage, if I left it in there or not. I'm not 100% sure what's going in that footage. But one of the workers, the guy came over and said, "Oh, anybody want to talk to me?" I just kind of casually joked, "I'll talk to you if you're going to make me a deal," because honestly, some of the prices at this place were kind of high. And I know in years past they were lower, and that's why I like to go there. But I did find some vintage women's panties. These are Flex Knit something else panties. This one's a size small, right there. And they're all brand new in the package. Then we also got some Pinehurst ones. Not even 100. Oh, fit sizes 4 through 8. A couple packages of those. We got a 4 through 7 right there. We ended up getting a bunch of them. I'm not going to show you every single one, but they're all about the same. There's a couple something else. These do really well. If I remember, I will throw some sold comps up on the screen, or current listed comps. There's a bunch of different ones here. Yeah, I think sometimes when people are looking for these, and I have a feeling we're going to do really well on these. I think we spent $9. I think I gave him a 10. So we spent $10 for all this stuff. The shirt's not going to pull in much. That's going to be a whatnot thing. These will definitely go on eBay. And I think even if I sold them for $2 each, right there pays for all of it. So at least double our money with that sale. So hopefully you guys found. Hopefully you guys found that video helpful. Maybe you can find some of this stuff when you go out sourcing. Also, something new that YouTube has rolled out, down below the video, you will see a thanks button with a heart next to it. It is a super thanks. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving us a super thanks. It really helps out the channel and we'd really appreciate it. Doing this part-time, and we invest a lot of time and money and effort into this channel, and we really hope you guys enjoy it. So, until next time guys, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking, guys. Bye.